Namaskar. Health has many angles, dimensions, threads. We need to have focus on everything. Health is not a joke, it's not a fun making, it is a very big subject. If we want to keep ourselves fine, we will have to take care of all the things. ये जो हेल्थ है, सेहत है, इसके बहुत से धागे हैं, बहुत सी डायमेंशंस हैं, बहुत से एंगल हैं, इन सब का हमें ध्यान रखना होगा. और मैं रिकमेंड करूंगा, आई विल रिकमेंड टू बी वेजिटेरियन. हमें शाकाहारी बनना होगा इफ वी आर कंसर्न्ड अबाउट हेल्थ. अगर नहीं बनते, इफ वी आर नॉट, वी वांट टू स्टे non-veg, even then you will have to take other type of precautions. Today I am going to tell you a vegetarian snacks, how to be very comfortable when you go outside, when you at home, and every time to prepare a snack which is vegetarian but loaded with everything. Calcium is there, iron is there, oils are there, vegetables are there. I am going to make that in front of you just now. That is a vegetarian sandwich. When we go outside, even then we can make it when we are traveling or something. When we are at home, we can do it. I am going to start it. Just see. Now we have all the things. Here the tomatoes are here. Here the green chilies are there, pepper, and here we have walnut and almonds. Here onion, here we have butter, and I have melted it into this. This is the bread, and this is the makhanas. That is known as makhana in Hindi. It is a white balls type of thing. You can go on Google and check it. I powdered it. It is full of calcium. Some cashew nuts pieces. Okay, now what we will do, we can cut these into pieces and then mix all the things. By the time we can make these little tighter on this, just like this, and this will be done later on. Just I will make it on. Now we should have a bread which is little harder, wheat bread, or the bread with grains, not with maida and all flour type of thing. That is not that good for health. Okay, now the bread is getting ready. This I will do later. Now I will make ready for this sandwich. Just see, I will take this one and cut some pieces like very thin, very thin. We can use cucumber also, like this. Okay, and then some onion, okay, now one pepper, Okay, and now what I will do, I will make those out. I will make these again. Ready? Okay, now what we will do, we will spray some this. Roughly 1 teaspoon. This is full of calcium. Okay, now some of these small pieces of these cashew nuts, then some walnuts, then some almonds. We will do like this. Four, five are enough. Then I will put some butter over here. Okay, now some salt as per taste. Okay, if you like you can put some red chili or no. Okay, now I will take it out. Now we have these 4 pieces over here. Ready? This go with this. This can go with this. Okay. Now what we will do, we will mix this, and now we can put here like this, then on this like this, like this. Now this goes like this, this goes like this. Now these 2 healthy sandwiches are ready. If we want to pack it and take it to some other place, we can do like this and pack it in a steel paper type of thing, or whatever you like. You can put it in a box also, lunch box and all that. So this is ready. Now this sandwich has everything: iron, calcium, all type of proteins, vitamins, everything. So we can be vegetarian and we can enrich our diet by this snack. This is a very good snacks. Evening, morning, anytime. It's very tasty also. So I would recommend to be vegetarian and try to use this thing. If you are not vegetarian, you can use some boiled eggs or some egg preparation or bhurji type of thing in Hindi to make it. But again, from time to time, we can change the vegetables also. We can change cucumber, we can put spinach also, we can put some avocado, we can put anything in this. So it is something very healthy. It was in my mind to tell some very nice snacks which is very quick and very nice. So I try to give you. Again, I will try to give you more things on bread and other things to make it real quick and very healthy. Okay, namaskar, and I will be again here with something very magnetic. Try to use this. It is not something to show you, but it should be a practical habit in your life. For the breakfast, for the evening tea, you can have this. It is for all over the world. For every country, every place, everything is available. Okay, namaskar. Thank you.